All right, everybody, we got the videographers extraordinaire. We got Parv and we got Sam bringing you guys all the video today. So we hope you guys are enjoying this. Welcome to the VW Harvest Weekend. We are getting ready to start the cruise here in about another 45 minutes. We're so glad you guys are joining us here on VW Life. Let's go, everybody. Woo!
Lifers at the VW Harvest, getting some footage. A lot of cars pulling in today. Definitely more than the Junebug rally. Me and Parv about to interview some people and look at some cars.
Hey, drivers meeting. Well, first and foremost, give yourself a round of applause for being here. Woo! And but today's cruise is about 57 miles. You just follow along. I have maps if you want one. Okay. We will stop and we'll have a kind of a little break, stretch your legs a little bit on the Granger Lake Dam. Yes. It's the coolest place. It's just right up there, and the lake's on one side. It's really beautiful. There's nothing out there. Really out in the country. We'll go through.
Granger Lake. Woo.
Taking a walk down the street, trying to find Parv. Check out some cars. Where's your car?
Right here, Lumpy.
Ooh, nice.
The green pig is also known.
Gotta say.
Sam, where are we at?
Where are we at? No clue.
This is Granger Lake.
Awesome view.
We just went through Granger Lake. Now we're in downtown Granger. All right, let's roll.
Top Notch. Home of the burgers.
There's the raffle car. There's HB 25. As you can see, got those seats. Got some homecoming pictures over here. How cool is that? Having homecoming pictures in front of VWs? This is insane.
Feeling really good. It's harvest weekend. Got the family in town. It's just a really exciting time.
Oh, we got Tommy B and Ethan, father, son. How are you guys feeling about the harvest?
Feeling great. It's gonna be an awesome day. Weather's gonna be great tomorrow. My boy, my young little, my wee laddie, he's gonna be here tomorrow, working at the raffle table.
How are you doing, Carl?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Pretty good. How excited you are for the harvest tomorrow?
I am very excited. So I'm hoping the weather holds out. I think we're just gonna get some rain tonight, and then tomorrow will be beautiful.
Jason, how excited you are for the harvest?
You know, more than usual because the weather's gonna be perfect. I might take this one home. I need another one. You know, I got a room in the driveway, so.
The Top Notch Volkswagen Award. Please gather around for the 2025 Top Notch Volkswagen Award. Ooh. Look at that. Martin does it again.
He does it again.
Yeah, I think ChatGPT made that.
Yeah, did you grade it with AI?
That is not AI. That is not AI.
Yeah, thank you guys for coming out. What year is this, Gary? 13, 14?
This is
13 or 14. Who cares about COVID, right? So we've been doing this for a long time. We did it in Austin. This is the first year in Hutto. Sorry to the 8 people that went to Austin tonight.
No.
That's the count running that I'm getting text. Saw one of them here. Guy over there in the red shirt, he went to Austin, but he's here. He made it, so good job. You made it. You made it. So every year, Martin makes a trophy for me, and I get to walk around and pick whatever I like that day, that minute, that hour. My mood and my taste changes over the years. Typically what happens is I like to get the story, I like to know where the car came from, I like to know a little bit about it. Tonight I looked at a few cars, and the story / car I like the most, she's standing right over there, her husband's right next to her. Come up, Brian and Miriam.
Nice.
So I was in an 80s nostalgic Hot Wheels car mood today, so, and they came from Tyler, Texas. So do you want to tell us anything about the car? No, they don't want to say anything. So you can ask them without a microphone in their hand. So here is your trophy for the Top Notch pick, 2025. Is that what here we are? All right, we got to get on camera though.
All right, you guys are awesome. Enjoy the night, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow at Brushy Creek Amp right down the road. Thanks, everybody.
All right, VW Lifers. Well, I appreciate you coming along with us on the 2025 VW Harvest Cruise. As you can tell, the weather is about to get stormy, but survive the night, of course. And yeah, tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. And we hope to see you guys at the VW Harvest.